Unveiled at the IDF 2025 Defense Exhibition, the GÖKDENİZ 135 Close-In Weapon System, CIWS, developed by Turkish defense electronics leader Aselsan, offers a cutting-edge naval defense solution aimed at neutralizing advanced airborne dangers, especially anti-ship missiles. Designed alongside the 35mm Atom airburst ammunition, the GÖKDENİZ system combines detection, tracking, and interception into a single versatile platform. It can function autonomously or be manually controlled, and is adaptable for integration with a ship's combat management system or for standalone use depending on operational needs. At the heart of the system is a twin-barrel gun capable of firing 1,100 rounds per minute, with an effective engagement radius of up to 4 kilometers against aerial targets when paired with the Atom ammunition. The system features a sophisticated linkless automatic feed, allowing it to switch rapidly between high-explosive incendiary and airburst rounds to tailor its response to different types of threats. While its primary mission is to intercept incoming anti-ship missiles, GÖKDENİZ also targets helicopters, fighter jets, drones, and fast-moving surface threats. An enhanced version, the 135 STA, includes a three-dimensional search radar for improved situational awareness. During rigorous qualification testing, GÖKDENİZ proved its capability to autonomously detect, track, and engage high-speed threats, including sea-skimming supersonic missiles traveling faster than 180 meters per second. This level of performance underscores its role as a vital last line of defense in modern naval warfare. Produced by Aselsan, a cornerstone of Turkey's defense technology sector, the GÖKDENİZ 135 embodies the country's strategic push for self-reliance and modernization in maritime security. Its increasing adoption within the Turkish Navy, coupled with growing interest from international navies seeking a modular and standalone CIWS, points to its expanding footprint on the global stage. In today's maritime battle space, characterized by the rapid proliferation of low-altitude anti-ship missiles, cost-effective drones, UAV swarms, and asymmetric threats from agile fast boats, close-in weapon systems like GÖKDENİZ are essential. They fill the critical defense gap between a ship's long-range protective layers and the platform itself, ready to counter threats that evade initial detection or interception. The system excels in high-threat environments where multiple, fast-moving sea- or air-launched missiles attack simultaneously, often employing complex flight maneuvers and electronic countermeasures. Its automated reaction capability ensures rapid target engagement, overcoming the limitations of human response time. Furthermore, GÖKDENİZ's ability to operate either independently or fully integrated with a ship's combat system makes it highly adaptable across various vessel classes, from large warships like frigates and corvettes to smaller units such as amphibious assault ships and offshore patrol vessels. This flexibility suits operations in contested littoral zones and hybrid warfare scenarios, aligning with contemporary naval doctrines that require seamless interoperability and autonomous defense mechanisms. In summary, the GÖKDENİZ 135 CIWS represents a significant advancement in maritime point defense technology, addressing the evolving challenges posed by modern aerial and surface threats through a blend of automation, modularity, and lethal precision.